your fries in a It is. Yeah, home. And we got Jollibee. And we got gravy. And we got cheers. Wait, what would you eat? You is the it. Crispy chicken. I've never tried Jollibee before, so let's do it together.
You want a biscuit?
Yes. No, you can have the biscuit. It doesn't matter where the biscuit is from. I will not be eating it.
Oh, it is crunchy, you know. Think about it. Yesterday, we weren't eating anything at all.
I was like, ew, oh my god, do not touch
Big.
Evidence for camera now. Put on your hand low. Ready?
Pango.
Where I go and shoot.
You want to shoot?
Yes.
You want to shoot?
Yes. Yeah, because this is a shoot. This is a shoot. Oh. We got Chinese food. I got shrimp blow mein and cheese. What is this? I think it's a wonton.
Yes, no, maybe so.
Cabbage and sausage.
I think so.
Wow. Roll up the sleeves. The onion's strong. The shrimp.
See what we need here? Greens. Say chicken or something. It tastes good, I promise you. I know you're gonna like it.
The crunch. Break it. What you say?
Don't miss out on your chance to win big. 26. Let's go gambling!
Success. And grace us in your field.
Your next Chinese meal will bring you more cookies.
Wow.
Ignore my hands, yeah. There's just my nails have dye on them. It just tell me to learn Chinese, but I know that Chinese word already. Do your duty without being supervised. See you when I'm eating again. Bye bye. Never tasted this before. I love Oreos. Are they unhealthy? Yes. Do I eat a lot of them? Yes. But I have cut out my addiction because I'm trying to cut down on chocolate because I think it's causing my acne. And which is more important, clear skin or Oreos? Oreos, obviously, but I need clear skin. That's my resolution for 2026. Going into 26 with zero acne. Anyways, back to this. It tastes like I bit into air, but it's sweet. It's creamy. This is softer than I expected. Low-key gonna get addicted to this. Anyways, see you guys later. I just wanted to share. You should definitely try these. Why aren't these in Jamaica? So I forgot to show you when my mom cooked her food the other day, so I'll just insert a picture of it right here. It was delicious. I sent a picture to all my friends and be like, this is what I got when I landed. And now I'm going to rewarm some kidney and pumpkin rice, and I'm going to take a picture of that, or I'll video it for you guys so you can actually see this time what I ate. It's time! Today's Christmas, by the way. Look at that. Look at the steam coming out and everything. Wow. My back hurts. But anyways, I know this tastes delicious. Let me show you guys what y'all missing out on. Yum. Nice. See y'all for the next meal. We're at Prince. I got a sandwich, lemonade, and chocolate chip cookie. Eight out of 10. I got a little bit of taste. Taste the lemon.
What?
Better. Just the half of warm it up for people.
No, pure.
Will that taste better if it warm?
You buy it, you know that.
Oh well. It's a fairly person.
Okay, good enough.
Maybe I tried to buy the sandwich. I'm gonna keep them good. So last night we were walking home because we went to pick up Chase from his godmother's cousin, nephew place, and we bought Pizza Hut, and we bought a meat lover's pizza. 2 slices remaining, but it was nice, better than Jamaican pizza because this wasn't like salty. Jamaican pizza from the other day be salty, I don't know why, but I went to the supermarket not long ago because there was no food in the house. Let me show you what I bought.
Where the is it? I swear to God.
Why this go put my thing in the freezer? Anyways, I bought nuggets. I bought this thing. So I'm gonna open this up and pop it in the microwave. I've never had this before, so I'm genuinely curious. That's why I bought it. It was like $3, $4. Oh wow, nice. So this is a second night. 6 pieces of nuggets, frozen mac and cheese, and brownie. Nuggets, and we just put the chicken nuggets on the film. It says pop this in the microwave on high for 1.5 minutes. So I'm not sure how much volt this microwave goes up to. I'll see you guys when I'm taking it out and putting back the nuggets in. Hey.
With a cast of one.
Nuggies.
That's suspicious.
Mix the mac and cheese. Emphasize on the mix. Ooh, one spilled. I found Tabasco. This is how it looks. This is salt. This is sugar. When you add the sugar, it's not bad. It's like 3 out of 10. Let's try the nuggies. Eight out of 10. If you have any go wrong with the chicken nuggets. Brownie. Looking a bit dry. But it's not bad. 8.5 out of 10. I would get brownie by itself and the nuggets, and mac and cheese need a lot of work. Anyways, I'll see you guys another day. Let me tell pizza. Pizza doesn't taste salty. Quite hot. Quite hot. That's about all you need to know. I don't think pizza can taste bad. Moving on to that. Don't even have to ask. I know this taste is good. Yep. Love it. I bought Hokkien ramen, and now I'm going to put in the broth. Whoa, the broth hot. Oh.
Yeah, I'm dirty shit.
Wow. That's so nice. Ramen bowl.
You could have asked your fork around.
There's fork in there.
Oh.
I don't know what is that. But till you say ramen must eat with egg. Chase is that a person of culture.
Give me a bite out of that, that look nice.
Use your food now.
Good?
The crunch.
Oh.
But you can taste some of this. You know if you use blah 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 chopsticks.
Just feed it to me.
What that?
Shrimp. Shrimp tempura.
It's not horrible.
Wow, this
Dip
is
on
one of the
fries
best
in
ramen I've ever tasted. Don't dip your fries in a
One fries in there.
don't hurt you.
Yeah, I've been going there.
I like how you threaten violence on camera. I'm glad to catch food.
Yeah, edit it.
There's nothing wrong with us here.
Thing again. You want?
All of it, all of it. Like in cute. You know that cute for me, I get all of my things up.
Take time. Take time. If you don't get the shoes, then I get the shoes.
Then I get the chain and I get the chain.
Alright, fair enough.
Okay, just so it irritates you.
Yeah. That full man.
You have it between one finger. You hold it like a pencil.
So. Oh.
Yes. See them, me teach you.
Shayde.